One day, a passerby was going from his village to the city and had to cross a forest. He got tired. When he reached the middle of the forest, there was a tall ravi tree. The air is breezing a tree, and the passerby passed and sat in its shade to relax. There are many fallen ravi fruits. They are very small. The passerby laughed at them and said, "Which God created this nature?" But that God is not very intelligent. Otherwise, he would have put such small fruits on such a big tree. Such a big tree should have at least as many fruits as pumpkin. Unfortunately, the innocent God laughed at laughed that no God as the intelligent have. Cool winds are blowing and Ravi tree is very comfortable in the shade of the tree. The passerby fell asleep due to his tired body. He slept comfortably. Strangely, the small fruits of the Ravi tree were grown as big as pumpkins. A fruit caught in the wind and the passerby fell on his head. The passerby got up with a cry. When he got up, there was no Ravi fruit like a pumpkin. It was all his dream. Then it was understood that God created Ravi fruits so small. He realized that the Ravi fruit was as big as pumpkin and fell from such a height his head would have been broken. He was punished for mocking the Creator. Thinking that everything in nature has a meaning, the passerby apologized to God and moved from there.